Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Scholars, I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. As we already started chapter 4 from our students' book, Children of the Digital Age. Since last 3 videos, we are doing the same lesson. Today, we are going to finish it. Okay, so let's start, scholar. First, we will revise what we did in our previous videos. Let's recall. This story is related to one lady who came by train, and that lady was an old lady. So she was a granny of Sonal and Kunal. She came to the platform by the train, and when she got down from the train, she hugged her grandchildren, that Sonal and Kunal, and she asked sorry from them because she thought that her grandchildren were waiting on the platform since last 3 hours because her train was late. Her train arrived late at the platform. But children told her that they reached the platform just 2 minutes ago because they can track the train online on their mobile. So they were tracking their granny's train online, and according to that timing they arrived to the platform. Sonal and Kunal, they both taught their granny about online cab booking. They told their granny about digital India. They told how to change ourselves and how can we become smart by using smartphone. They told about GPS. What is GPS, scholars? Global positioning system, and about location mode on our mobile phone. They taught their granny about the profits of GPS. Then what happened? Their granny told, when they told each and everything about online cab booking, then their granny told that she want to go for shopping because she has to purchase some grocery items. Then Sonal suggested that instead of going market, better to purchase groceries by online shopping. So if their granny will do online shopping, then it's not required to go to the market, and delivery can be at home. Who suggested? Sonal suggested. Then grandmother expressed her wish to go for shopping, to purchase raw ingredients to bake cake and to make laddu. She asked that whether all these groceries will come with by online. Then Sonal suggested yes, all groceries can come, and she can even place order while sitting in cab with the help of her smartphone. Then what granny said, that in digital era everything, then what Sonal said, that in digital era everything can be done with the help of a smartphone and we can use it anywhere. Then granny asked them to stop the cab at an ATM to withdraw some money. Why she asked to stop the cab at an ATM? Because she thought that if she has to purchase grocery, she will need money. So she asked them to stop the cab at an ATM. Then Kunal suggested his granny that instead of withdrawing money from ATM, better to use mobile wallet, and he taught how to install mobile wallet in smartphone. Okay, scholar. So today we will start that the rest part of the story. Oh, my locker at home. I used to guard it with my life as it had all the cash. Your grandfather used to hand over all his salary to me at the beginning of the month. I had 2 compartments in it, one for savings and one for monthly expenditure. Who told this? This sentence told by Granny. she said this, that I used to keep money in my locker earlier when she was in Jhansi, when their grandfather was working. At that time, she used to keep all his salaries, their grandfather's salaries, in her locker. And in locker there was two compartment. In one compartment she used to keep money for savings, and in one compartment she used to keep money for monthly expenditures. And she has to guard that guard that locker because it had cash in it. So she told about her locker. Then what Kunal said, exactly Granny, the mobile wallet is like your monthly expenditure locker compartment. Transfer money to it once and keep making payments. See what he said, that exactly how you used your monthly expenditure compartment in your locker, in the same way you can use your mobile wallet. Mobile wallet can work as your monthly expenditure locker, because once you have to transfer money from your account, from your bank account to your mobile wallet. Okay, once you have to transfer your money from your bank account to your mobile wallet, and after that you can use that amounts to pay wherever you want to pay. See there, even that street food fruit vendor and that ice cream kiosk accept payments from mobile wallets, said Kunal. Your fruit and vegetable vendors in Jhansi will also accept payments from mobile wallets. Okay, he was telling benefits of mobile wallet, that if you will download mobile wallet in your smartphone, then it's not essential to carry cash in your hand. You can pay to vendors also with the help of mobile wallet. Okay, who was telling all these benefits? Kunal was telling to his granny. See, even Sonal and I have mobile wallets on our smartphone where dad and mom transfer our pocket money. You can also transfer, winked Kunal. Okay, so Kunal said that even we have mobile wallet app in our mobiles where our mom and dad used to transfer money as our pocket money. And while winking means he was blinking his eyes with a smile, and said to his granny that even you can also transfer money to us in our mobile wallet, he suggested. Then what Granny said, yes, I will for both of you. And she laughed. Granny said that yes, I will also give money to your mobile wallet. Okay, then, oh, it seems we are about to reach home. You children have enlightened me on digital apps during this cab ride. Okay, Granny said that it seems that we are about to reach home. They were in cab. Okay, so she thought what she said, that yes, now I think we are about to reach home. And she was thanking to her grandchildren because they taught her about digital apps and how to use that digital apps, how to download that digital apps, what are the benefits of that digital apps, each and everything they taught to their granny. So she said, she was saying thanks to them. I will tell your grandpa that he too needs to learn. He spends hours at the bank standing and waiting in queues to manage our money, deposits, withdrawals, savings, investments, etc. It is quite tiring and he isn't younger. Then what she said, that I will tell to your grandpa to learn all these things which you taught to me, because he has to stand in banks, he has to stand in queues when he used to go to bank, and for managing our money. She said, who said? Granny said to their children that she will tell to his her husband. But at the same time, what Sonal said, hey, chuckled Sonal. Granny, you are going to meet a digitally smart grandpa today. Dad has taught him online banking, and now he does all his banking using his smartphone. Okay, then what Sonal said, that Sonal was so happy and she chuckled, Granny, today you are going to meet a digitally smart grandpa. Means already we taught him about all these things. Dad has taught him online banking. Okay, and now all his banking work he used to do with the help of his smartphone. She gave such information to Granny, who gave Sonal. He hasn't visited the bank even once, and yesterday he even made online payments for utility bills. We all even booked air tickets and hotel accommodations online for our holiday to Bhutan in 2 weeks, added Sonal. Then what she said, that nowadays grandpa is not going bank and he is managing all his money from with the help of his smartphone. He is using his smartphone to do all these things because he learned online banking. And she said that even he paid yesterday utility bills, and he booked tickets, air tickets and hotel accommodations for our Bhutan trip. They were planning to go to Bhutan, so she said all this was done by grandpa only, and he did all these things with the help of digital apps, with the help of his smartphone. So Sonal gave such information to Granny. Really, going digitally is surely very convenient. Thanks, children, you have made your granny and grandpa tech savvy, said Granny, flipping through grocery products on her smartphone. Okay, while flipping grocery products on her smartphone, she said that really it's very convenient when we learn such things, when we learn how to become digital and how to use our smartphone, then it's very convenient for us, especially for older people. So she said thanks to her grandchildren that you made us tech savvy. Tech savvy means those who know how to use technology, those who know how to use their smartphones can be called as tech savvy. Okay, so she said thanks to her grandchildren, to Sonal and Kunal, to make her and her husband tech savvy. Okay, children, I think this lesson was very interesting and it relates us to our world, right? At present scenario, we are also using each and everything digitally, and we are learning because we are tech savvy, because we know how to use our smartphones, how to use our PCs, right? Still there are many things which we need to learn. So keep on learning and read your lesson from your textbook thoroughly. Take care. Bye bye.